Hey, this is going on.
As you can see, we are.
That was a commercial break.
That was a commercial break.
The anime factory.
The land. All the way back there.
Yeah.
Watch your back.
Tilla, give us introduction here.
So as you can see, we are here at this establishment. This is where they bring their crops to get them grinded, such as hot sauce, shiro, grains. So this is a staple of the neighborhood. It's been here for over 20-something years.
Really?
Yeah.
Before the hotel.
Before they moved to that house. So if you need anything grinded, there's about 8 employees inside.
Watch out. Make way.
Yeah, that was a little.
We just finished a tour in the manager's office here.
He's saying they renting that place. He's renting it for them to live.
Over there, he's renting a place. And in there, they built all the shit or make it and test it and everything else. Well, this is the finished product. Oh, this is where they get the seeds to grind. Wow. Lentils or? Teff.
This one red. This white.
Oh. That's the dark one and the light one.
No, ከዚህ ይገዙና ሰው እዛ ይፈጠራል እዛ ይፈጫል።
Oh, so they buy it here as a process here.
Yeah.
Familiar. That is machine አለ equipment አለ ግን የኛ ስጋው
የዚህ ጤፉ ማበጠሪያ ጤፍ ነው።
Oh.
ጤፉን አሁን ሲነፋ
I thought the dog was barking because of somebody else, but it was barking because of us.
ይሄ ምንድን ነው?
That dog. Here he is. That mean dog. He doesn't like that we're here. Why are you rushing me, boy? I'm trying to document your history. We're in the Shitto factory. Walk by, boy. Walk by. Family business. making all kinds of spices and shit up.
ይሄኛው በርበሬ
በርበሬ
Uh-huh. Oh, that's better too. Wow. We went on a 41-minute walk to get here, as evidenced by my wrist. Pause.
Food process starts here.
This is like my job, man.
It's your job, man. Hey. Chila. Oh, shit. So the family business.
I like it.
Wow.
ሰፊ ነው። እዛ
ደስ
ማይሰናነሱም ቦታ
I know. እዚህ ወጣ ትንሽ ፍሬሽ ኤር መግባት ትችላለህ። It's nice.